BA.
BA.
Yes.
What is it about?
It is the programming interface. You can transfer the data into SAP system and you can extract the data as well. So I'll share my screen.
Wait, so you said BA.
That is
So your mic's kind of low.
do you see my screen? No.
No.
So what we have done last classes is we have done based on the data flow through
EC.
the screen flow, right? We have done like this. We took the data from Notepad to a web program. And from a web program to session, every session method. And from session to screen, T code. Okay. This is the flow we have done. Session, T code, and SAP database table. This is SAP database tables. This is the flow we have done. So this is called the BDC. BDC focus on screen flow to transfer the data. Okay. But already said yesterday, BDC will not work if there is a change in the sequence of these screens by SAP in the next versions. Okay. So BAPI is business application programming interface used to access the data from external SAP systems SAP from external SAP systems or non-SAP systems. Nothing but we can non-SAP systems, so we call as legacy systems. Okay. So let's see here. This is the flow. This is the BAPI. You can use this BAPI. You can call in the web program. It's a web program. Call the BAPI. And BAPI will get the data from SAP database tables. And you can display the output here. Okay. So this BAPIC can access from either ABAP program or through legacy system also. This is a legacy, for example. So this legacy system also can query the data. This also can access this BAPIC directly from the legacy. Whether it can access means it can ask the data to give, or it can take the data from the SAP system through the BAPI. Like this. Okay. So where you can see all the BAPIs is Mhm. Okay. So one place you can see all the BAPIs is can see in the BAPI as well. T code name is BAPI. BAPI. So here you can see here, based on the business point of view. For example, materials management. Okay, for purchasing order, you can see here purchase order. For example, purchase order you can see here. So you can see the BAPI names here. This is for BAPI PO change. This you can change the purchase order of the BAPI. So inside this nothing but method only, function model only here. This is method only, function model only. But this we can call remotely. You can see that here, attributes, remote enabled function model. Means you can call from the external systems. Okay. So you can find out here all the existing standard BAPIs, SAP provided BAPIs. So we use mostly the SAP provided BAPIs only. If required only, we go and create our own BAPIs. Okay. I'll show you one BAPI. In BAPI also you can get from SC37 also, because this is a function model only. You go to SC37. You can search here also BAPI. For example, I want search BAPI star material related BAPIs. All material related. You can see here. It's all BAPIs. You can create a material also using the BAPI. For example, this BAPI is used to create the material and change the materials data. Yeah. So this is for getting the materials information here. For example, suppose if I take this BAPI here. Okay. So import is material number. Okay. Let us execute this BAPI. Okay, do some material number here. Go to Mora table. Display material number. You can take any material here. I'll change the display here. take some material here. This material give information give as input here. Execute here. This gives the material information here. This is the data of the material here. Success. Okay, you just give the material number. It is given all this information here. For example, you want to use this in the BAPI program. How do you use the BAPI? This program is take this function model. Go to program. Create a new program. Let's save. Okay. So I give the material number here. Parameters. P underscore MTNR. Type Mara MTNR. Next one, we'll call it baby. Save it. Check syntax. How to call babies? Go to pattern. Use here baby name. Baby material get detail here. Same as function model only. How to pass the materials here? Parameter for a material I want pass. How to pass? How do I know data type?
Double click on mapping material.
Yes. Okay. Double click on this one. No? Go to data type here. Take the same data type here. Sorry, material already we are given, right? So I think we can do same p underscore matter. Oh, no. So very important here. For BAPI, they are maintaining character 18 only. So don't give here, right? Don't give parameters here because here it is showing as a char 40. Okay. Give here same as this one. Import parameter. Live is going on, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you should give this one only. Make it. Go to change. Give this name here. Okay. Here, uncomment this one. Give here p underscore MTN. And I want to get only general information of material data. Uncomment this. Uncomment this. See material general data type. Double click here. Export. Material general data. This is the data. This could be internet table or work area. How do we know?
Double click web idiot.
Double click here. This is structure type, right? So this becomes work area, right? Define one work area here. Define here data statement area underscore model type. Now pass this information to here now. Now if you want to print this one, print here. Right. So I can display here or query underscore mara hyphen. What information is available here? You can display one by one all these fields here. Right. Material description. Right. Material description, comma. Or maybe I can get to 40 or 50 position. So better I will open this parallelly. Right. Material type. Area underscore mara hyphen material type. Comma. Maybe 60 position. No? Industry. IND underscore sector. Okay. Next maybe 70 position. No? Material group. I'll take only up to here. 70 here work area underscore mara hyphen. Here also work area underscore mara. Check syntax. Activate here. Okay. So in the all BAPIs, the return parameter will be there. By this point, we can define the return parameter. Data variable v underscore return. Type. Okay. Type name. How to find out type here? Go to here. Double click. Go to export. Return type this one. Right. Uncomment this one. Give v underscore return. V underscore return. Okay. You can write here. Status BAPI calling status is this will be having in this variable v underscore return. Okay. Check syntax. V underscore return RETUR. Okay, now execute. Pass the material number here. Okay, here I'll pass this material number. Save it. Go test one. Save it. Execute. Right? BAPI, S means success. Either right here, we can make it here. In the BAPI is can go new line character better. This one also can give new line character. This one also can give new line character. This one also can give new line character. Activate now. Execute now. Execute. Execute. Right? This is what is all this one? Material description. 1, 2, 3, 4 fields. Right? You can give the field names as well. No? Right here. You can give material description. Like this, right? This is material description. This is industry sector. You can write here material industry sector is. Okay, next one, material group. You can write here material group is. Take syntax, activate, and execute. Is a variant now. Okay, now for example, some XYZ ABCD here and give wrong value, right? But I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop, execute. So I'll give wrong value here. Junk value I'm giving. Execute. Okay. What is v underscore return? V underscore return. No? You should use type so that will give you the status here. Type. We can make it here if v underscore return type return item type of equal to s only, print this one. Check syntax. It's good. Execute for wrong value here. Return type is equal to error. So because of error, it won't print the below data. If I give a correct value, execute. Right? This is the data. Okay. Similar thing, you can I give you two more BAPIs, you do it quickly now. I'll give this code. Oh, why it is not coming? I think Zoom is not supporting in this way. Okay, I'll give this code quickly in the chat window of WhatsApp. Okay. Do it so other two BAPIs quickly. It won't take more than 10 minutes. You try to print. Then I'll take one BAPI for changing the data. This is for displaying the data only. Okay, so I copied the code. Okay. Two more BAPIs I'll give you. Just try to write that code quickly. By seeing the BAPI, you understood. It is the planned information BAPIs. So those two BAPIs are. You see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Company code informations. Company code. Company code. These two. These two BAPIs, so you try what is its purpose. So call in the SC38. This is for BAPI information only to print the company code information, like same as materials what I printed. Right. So I'll give 10 minutes time.
Hey, sir.
Rudra,
I was about to send you something. I'm trying to log into it. It's just not logging me in.
log in now.
Yeah, it's not logging me in.
I'll give a different one. Take this one. You the new one, I give the new one, different one.
Okay. So what about like the computer?
Same. I gave small task for the interest. Should be very actors of it. Don't have to. No, they're not doing technology. Their chances are they will see. Much clearer. I don't know. Today is called me already. Sorry, I will come back to. Where also. Let's see. If you to give the money. Right, right. Better. Delhi. You are getting externally. Area. Something you release that. You want to go there, right? From maybe 1 kilometer, right? So, 1 kilometer from maybe. Right? Maybe the location of that Google Map location. Class no, no, just one class. Online class, okay. Oh, sorry. Then we are able to do any challenges? Suppose if we don't know how to use that program, how to use that BAPI, how do we know?
Say that again, please.
Suppose this BAPI, nothing but function module, you want somebody's code as a reference. So you want to find out how somebody is using this one. How do you get that?
We check it.
How do you check it? So this is one way of copying somebody's code for your reference purpose.
Display.
Uh-uh.
Display.
No. Display all or where is the list?
Sorry, where you said this?
Where is list? If you use that, you can know where you are using that function module reference purpose. See, for example, like this, right? We go to here. Do you see my screen?
We don't see a screen.
You see my screen, right? If you go to here, what the BAPI name I said? BAPI underscore company, right? Suppose if I take
Company details.
suppose company details. If I don't know how to use this one, how to use put the cursor here. Go to where is the list here, and choose here. You can choose only the programs is enough. In which programs you are using, somebody is using. No one is using. I don't know your program. Somebody's of your our class. This is your program, right, Ganesh? No.
Yes, sir. Now,
Okay. So if no one is used already, you don't get that reference. But somebody is already used that for reference. I mean for practice.
in
Then
this
you can find out the reference code here.
sir, one doubt, sir. In this
Yes, yes.
program written, I'm getting errors, sir. Written type.
Okay. Here, line number 19, don't pass type. This is complete written, right? You should pass V underscore written here.
Yes, sir. I tried written with written. I'm getting errors, sir. Then I tried type. What is the error coming? I just tried, sir.
You can do it. Let me, I can modify this code. Just come out of the program. No?
Yes, sir.
Spelling mistake.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Suppose I will show you some other system. No? This BAPI, see how many people they are using already. If I take this BAPI, if I go to my other system, other SAP system, if I go to SC37, no? Give the BAPI name, no? Click on where is the list here. Then click on programs. See here. It is they are using here. Reference purpose. For reference code, you can check it here. Where is my programs? I have used, oh, I have not used recently. Yeah? Okay, so if there is already using, you can get with this reference. For example, if I double click this material, then if I put the cursor here in the battery name, click on where is list. In which places you are using this? Somebody, not you, somebody. It lists out all the places. See, this many places they are using. This that means this many programs are there for your reference purpose here. I have used so many times here. Okay, this we are going to do now. Babies. There, the data from the SAP. It's a point. Okay. Next, this code is for changing the material data using the PAPI. For creation also is possible. So we'll do the change simple little bit so that you can understand the BAPI purpose. One is data extraction, second one is BAPI. One is data extraction, other one is data changing. This two. Okay. So let me write this code quickly. I'll search if there is my existing program already. Go to BAPI name. Say 37. BAPI underscore material underscore save underscore data. Save data. See here, create, you can create and you can change the materials with the same BAPI. You can find a documentation also here. It gives the documentation purpose of the BAPI. Okay. So if I want find the existing programs for reference, put the cursor here. Click on where used list. Then find out, right? Somebody is using already. So this many people are using. You can take this one as a reference here, like this. Then you can make it your code, your own code. Okay. So I will create a new program. Happy for material change. Click on create. Happy for material changing. It works same as M02T code. Okay. Choose executable program, executable, save it, package. Now repeat Vappy your material change profile. Save this here. Okay. Save it. Okay. Let's see here how it works. Okay. Here, like data. So we'll change the base units of measure. We'll take the materials with the kg, then we'll make it a bag. Okay, I'll go to Mora table. I'll go to Mora table. Okay. Materials units of measure. You can see the field here. So units of measure you can choose here. Go to settings, fields for selection. You can choose units of measure, base unit of measure here. Enter. Execute. Okay. Units of measure field can be here somewhere here. So this also you can restrict not to get all this information. Go to settings, choose fields, which fields you want to display in the output. I want client material number, material type, industry sector, material group, base units of measure. Only I need this one. Apply. Okay. Now base units of measure this one. I want only kg, not this ST and all. How to get only kg related data? This base units of measure ST. I want only kg. Right? You can get here, right? Go back, give only kg here. Right now, all these materials are kg, units of measure. Where you can check it, go to this material, 50, right? Material number, take 50. Go to MM03. Copy the material number. Choose basic data 1. You see the kg is the unit. You can measure this material using the kgs here. For this material, I change it to bag using the BAPI. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So I'll take now. Okay. Right here, I'll go in debug mode so that understood is easy. I'll put a breakpoint here. Execute. Okay, pass the material number here. Save it. Test one. 50 material number 50. Changing the units of measure. Save it. Now execute. Okay. This we have done already just now, today morning. It gives the information of the materials here. If you pass the material number 50, it comes to into this one, material information here. Right? You see the kg or not here? Kg, existing
Yes, sir.
units of measure. Now, go to here. You are displaying that. Okay, now you are changing here. Instead of changing to kg to bag, you are giving here. This is P underscore client data you are passing. What is the P underscore client data? You can see here. Take this BAPI parallelly. Open this parallel BAPI. Go to here. You can see the import parameter, client data. Client data is having all the materials information here. All the company, sorry, material group, material type, industry sector, base units of measure, everything here. Now, you take it client data X. This is for updating the information here. Whenever you are going to update, same fields will be there, but you have the pass the flag value like X or not X. To go to here, double click here, you can see here. X means update for the field. No X means no, don't update the field here. Go to here. So now I'm changing that material to only bag. Sorry, to kg to bag. You can find here. Only material number I'm passing. Okay, right? So here you are passing the material number here. Here you are passing the which value should pass. Bag value you are passing. Remaining values will be as it is what is there already. and units of measure here. If you take client data X, X is for updating. See, I am passing only for that field only X because I want change only that specific field only value. F6. Right? You check it now. S upper is equal to 0. Check it, this is changed or not now. Let me check it in system. We are in MM03. Right here. 50 MM0 to go to MM03 again. Slash and MM03. You see, it's still KZ only. Okay, let's see. Okay, database commit must happen with this function model. Execute. Okay, let's see now. Go back. MM03. Go back. Go to MM03 again. Slash and MM03. MM03. Press enter. Choose the value, basic data. You see the bag now, it's changed to bag. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Like miracle. Huh? This is a very powerful concept, SAP BAPI. For finding the BAPI is not so easy. We have to do a lot of R&D. Then we'll find out the right BAPI once you do the cost estimate. But this is ultimate than the BDC because BDC will work for scheme based. This is not scheme based. It is individual tables will update by system automatically. SAP has written the code. See, all this BAPI, what the concept of BAPI is not like something new. I mean, is ultimately SAP has written the code inside this one. I go to here, go to here, here SAP has written the code to get the data of the materials information. So the SAP code, SAP company has written the code. If you go back, okay, you see here, this also SAP has written the code, this BAPI, to change the data of the materials instead of MM02. So inside this, if you go, SAP has written thousands of lines of the code to modify the materials data. This is the concept. Okay. Very rare cases only you go for this is if you don't use this one, it won't commit the database. Most of the cases, you can try this one. Let me I'll put the comment. Now I'll change it back to bag. I'll put this comment. I'll put into the try to put into the bag now. Sorry, already bag, right? I'll make it KZ. Activate. Okay, let's put the breakpoint here. execute. Use the same material number. Execute. Okay. So you are fetching the first materials data. Then you are modifying. Changing. That's why suburbs equal to 0. Check it. What is this PNS return to? Right? This success is saying that the material has been changed. Or extended means changed. Okay. Okay, let's see. Is success or not? So I'm executing the material here. Okay, now it should make it, it should be available as a KZ, right? Go to here. Back. MM03. Go to materials. Click on basic data. It changed, right?
Yes, sir.
It changed, but sometimes, right, you need to, you must to give the transaction commit. Also, you can pass in some business requirement. You can delay the database commitment as well, commit as well. Here, using this code. You can wait, you can make it some few seconds also, you can wait it, because sometimes when parallel processing want to execute parallel operations, you can make it database commit for few seconds, you can wait. That you can pause here. Battery transaction commit here. You can go and check it here. Maybe this is must to use in the external systems that they are calling from the either maybe .NET or Java systems. Mandatory. This is the point here. This they will ask in the interview questions. What is the purpose of this one? Okay. So all BAPIs must be started with BAPI and it must be remote enabled. If you see your attributes here, remote enabled means this BAPI can be called not only from the SAP system, from the legacy. Legacy means could be mainframe, so .NET systems, so or Java systems as well. Okay. I'll stop here. So you practice this one, no? Stop recording.